Hey guys, it's the Math Maniac here, and today I'm going to be talking about rotations especially on geometric on the Cartesian plane. So what is a rotation, you may ask? It's just when you take a figure like this. You don't have to have a figure. You could have a line. You could have a point. You could have anything like that, and you move it corresponding to the angle with with the um with the origin. I'm gonna do rotations across the origin. Different other rotations may be a bit harder, so I'll just be talking about the rotations around the origin. So what is a rotation? It just changes the location of a shape or a point. So I can keep it here, and if I take this here, and let me show you what a rotation of a point, and then you use an object, and then you center point. So how do I want to move this, counterclockwise or clockwise? You can um you can move it like that, or you can move it like that. And so now I'm going to be using counterclockwise. So I'm going to do a 90-degree angle counterclockwise. And look, here it is. So when I move it, it changes the location of the new figure, but it remains congruent to the old figure. It remains completely congruent. So let me show you. Wait, no, not that area. Okay, if you see that this area, the area of this is 12. So this is also 12. So it remains congruent, but it just changes orientation and location. So the thing about this is it's easy to predict how a object is going to move in when you're using rotations. So look, I have this object and it's in the first quadrant here. And if I use a 90-degree counterclockwise, I'm going to get it in the second quadrant. So look, so the second quadrant is always minus x positive y. That is how a point is going to be in the second quadrant. So if I do that, I can do this. I can take this, it would be 5 comma close to 1.25. And since I'm changing the orientation here, since I'm rotating it 90 degrees, I'm going to be rotating it like this. I'm going to be rotating it like this. Going to be rotating it like that. So if I do that, I'm going to get it go like this. Except it's going to change its orientation. So what we're going to do here is, because of that, we're going to switch the coordinates. And since we're doing that, we're going to get, since it's 4 comma 1 right now, it's going to be minus 1 comma 4, because in the second quadrant you always have minus x positive y. So now let's go to the next one. Let's have an example that we do a 180-degree rotation. And if I do counterclockwise and clockwise, this a 180 degrees is going to be the same thing, because it's halfway around the coordinate plane either way. Look, and now I've got this figure right here. And now since that it's at 4 comma 1 here, it's going to be, since it's still rotating twice down here, it's going to be minus 1 comma, minus 4 comma minus 1, because in the third quadrant you have, it's going to be like you have minus x comma minus y. And now let me show you how to get to the fourth quadrant. Now, any quadrant you could go either way, so you can do counterclockwise or clockwise. So if I want to go this quadrant, I can do 90 degrees counterclockwise, or I could do 270 degrees clockwise. And for this it's 180 degrees either way, and for this it's 90 degrees clockwise, and this is 270 degrees counterclockwise. So I'll show you. So this is gonna come here. Look, it came there. And look, so since it's 4 comma 1, since in the fourth quadrant it's going to be x comma minus y, we're going to get we're gonna get, like, for example, let's take at f 4 comma 1, 1 comma minus 2. It's gonna switch like that. Okay, guys, thank you for listening to this video with me. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to this channel and like it, and please in the comments put, like, if you want any cool videos, because I can make them. Thanks, guys. Bye.